5. Spray paint and spray glue. Spray paint and spray glue bring versatility to projects and are extremely useful when creating more large-scale decor items for your wedding. A coat of metallic spray paint could take a pound-land glass vase to the next level for homemade centerpieces, with just a few pounds, which is a great option for those couples on a budget. 6. Shaped hole punches. If you're making any of your event stationery such as invitations yourself, shaped hole punches make it easy to take your creations to the next level. Shapes like hearts, flowers, stars, or leaves can play on the theme or season of your wedding and are perfect to use for making homemade confetti for guests to throw after you tie the knot. Advanced DIYers tools. The advanced tools will suit those couples that have the prior commitment to DIY and have the resources available to them. They will sure set you apart from the pack. 7. Electric die cutter. This is another great tool to help you create beautiful homemade stationery, programs, menus, escort cards, decals, itineraries, and many other special pieces. Ideally, this should be an electric die cutter. Machines like a Cricut or Silhouette can even connect seamlessly with your wireless home devices and integrate their design platform to bring ease and high-tech touch to your project. Remember that you might need a bit of practice at the start, and you should be prepared to look at the pricier side. Nonetheless, they are a very versatile addition considering what they can do. This makes them worth the price if you're committed to crafting and have the budget. 8. High-quality printer. If you're planning to print your own wedding invitations, having a good quality color printer is something you will want to carefully think about. While such a printer may not exactly be cheap, it'll deliver a quality color print your wedding planning, and any printed materials such as invitations will benefit from. DIY projects for your wedding can and should be fun, and will definitely add a bespoke touch to your big day. Having the right tools to complete these projects is sure to make the process that much more seamless and enjoyable. Remember, there will be other DIY tools to think about for other elements and items of your event such as for catering, entertainment, and the like.